that direction. Step here, step here. Okay? Peppy, which ski did we step with first now? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Nice. Nice, Peppy. Awesome. That's great. That is great. Okay, let's go back
Okay.
up. Still dance a little bit. Okay? Okay, so this time when we go down here, I'm going to make 2 steps there, and then I'm going to make 4 steps over to the other side. Okay? Understand? So I'm going to make 2 steps over there, then 1, 2, 3, 4 over this way. And then I'm going to come right back up. And the next one when I go down, I'm going to go 2 steps to the right, and I'm going to go how many steps to the left? 4. Okay? So this is what it's going to look like. You ready? Here's what it looks like, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, now I'm going over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to come right back up without even stopping. Without even stopping, and I'm going to walk like a duck the whole way up. Quack, 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 quack. Amanda, can you do that? Good, good. 4 steps over. Good job, Amanda. Good, and right back up. Awesome, Amanda. And go ahead. Look at you go, Ann. That's it. Amanda, that was awesome. Great job. Go ahead, Becky. Go ahead. 2 steps to the left and 4 steps to the right. That's it. Excellent job, Peppy. Excellent job. Bend your knees, hon. When you bend your knees coming up, it's so much easier. Okay? One more thing before we go. Then we're going over to another area. Okay? So here's what I want you to do. I take my right ski and I point my right ski at the tip of my left ski. Can you do that for me? Just point it. Right like that. Okay? Can you do that? Okay? Now watch. I'm going to do this as I'm skiing. Okay? So I'm going to start right here and then I'm going to point my right ski and my left ski. Okay? Watch. I'm going to go straight, 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 straight. And now I'm going to point that ski. I'm going to keep pointing it. I come to a stop. Amanda, can you do that for me? Go straight and then point that right ski at the left ski. Good, good. Amanda, what did you just do? You turned too, didn't you? You turned and stopped. Good, walk back up. Peppy, can you do that for me? That's it. Look at that. Good job, girl. Good job. And right, here's the catch. The first one up to the top wins the race. Okay? So it's not just down, but we've got to go down and then we've got to come back up here. That's who wins the race. Understand, Peppy? Okay, so it's going to be you and me. Okay? Okay, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Peppy. That's it, that's it. Are you ready to turn? Let's turn. Good job. Uh-oh, you got the lead. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm going to try to catch you. I don't know if I can, though. That's it. Keep going, girl. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. Oh, you won. Good job. Okay, who's going to win this? Uh-oh, we better wait for a second, okay? Film crew, we ready?
We're ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, turn. Back up, come on in, come on. Oh my, look at this. Man, Amanda, you're quick.
Okay.
Come on over, let's let Ann get in there somewhere. That's it. You guys, you're doing great. You're doing amazing. Okay, I think it's the last time. I should believe you wearing this glasses. I think I'd look good myself. Are you sure? Okay, so this time what we're going to do is all those things that we worked over here, we developed skills. Okay? We're going to now use them over here. Sound fair enough? Okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to go right over here, and we're going to turn our skis over to the right. How do we turn our skis to the right? What do? We point the left ski at the right ski, don't we? Okay? Where are our shins? Shins on our feet. They're right up against the boot, right? Okay, what about our knees? Are they bent? Yeah, how about smiles? Do we have smiles? Have your knee second, hand third. I'm sorry, hand second, hand third. Okay? This, okay? Start out here, knees are bent, like in front of my boot. Okay? Big smile for that camera, right? Okay? And then we just move our skis over here by pointing one at the other. Okay? Can we do that, Peppy? Go ahead. Nice job, Peppy. Very nice. Awesome. Awesome. And you ready? Right over here. Right over here. Where's that smile at? There it is. Good job. Good job. Right over here. All the way over here. Okay, Amanda? Good. Just point the ski at the other ski, okay? Okay. I'm doing it. I'm just going to point my ski just like that, correct? Okay, my knees are still going to be bent. My hands are still going to be okay? My head's always up, down or up. Always up, okay? Here we go. Look around, see if anybody's coming. And a big smile for Miss Lynn. Hi, Lynn. That's it, Peppy. Where's that big smile, girl? Oh, look at that. Look at you ski. Great job. Right over here and do a stop, Peppy. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, Ann. That's it, Ann. Don't forget to smile for the camera. Good job, Ann. Right over here, Ann. Come to a stop. That's all right. You're good. You're good. Excellent. So it's going to be a big turn. So we're going to start that way. We're going to go all the way over. See where that little border just fell down over there? We're going to go right over by him. Fair enough? Okay? When we do that, which ski we're going to point? We're going to point the left one at where, Ann? At the right. Yeah. Where are our hands going to be? In front of us. Okay? Where are our knees going to be? Yeah. We're going to feel the front of our boot? Of course we are. We always want to make sure, though, that we look up and see if there's anybody else coming down, because one of the things about skiing is to be safe, okay? So we want to make sure as we're skiing that we're very careful. If anybody's coming down, we wait till they get past us, okay? Okay, this is what it should look like. Here we go. That big turn. Go ahead, Peppy. Peppy, that's a great job. Way to go. All the way over here, Peppy. Nice. Nice. Man, let's go.
Get your left hand down on your left knee, right hand on your left knee.
Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Point it over here. That's it. Hey, Amanda, I want you to make a real big turn for us, okay? That's it, Amanda. Nicely done. Nicely done. Way to go, girls. Hey, shuffle your skis forward, okay? And right here, if we have to walk like a duck, we can do that, huh? We know how to do that. Good. We'll get up here. We're just going to shuffle our skis directly onto that. Good. That's it. Amazing job. Okay, very good. Right on, right on. There you go, Peppy.
Nice job.
Nice, nice. Make sure you keep your knees bent. Good. Keep your knees bent. That's it. Nice job. Very nice, guys.
Going up this thing, Karen.
Lean back.
Well, it's new somewhere.
But thank you. Okay, Lenny, come on.